everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Mobile Legends verification code not received issue. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. If your connection is weak, the verification code may be delayed. Next, switch your connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. Then request the verification code again. After that, make sure you've entered the correct email address or phone number depending on where you're expecting the verification code. Then, if you're waiting for the code by email, check your spam or junk folders. If you're waiting for an SMS, wait for a few minutes before tapping resend code. Now open the App Store and check if there's any update available for Mobile Legends. Installing the latest version can fix bugs that may affect account verification. You can also go to settings, then tap general, then tap iPhone storage, then you can offload app. This can sometimes fix your problem and improve your phone's performance. Finally, restart your phone and request the verification code again. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.